Pranav Goa Thakurta from EduTV. Today, we are with Mr. Dutt, Mr. Sandeep Dutt. As a school improvement coach, he focuses on school transformation with an emphasis of culture as a service. With over 30 years of experience as a trainer and mentor, Sandeep has been involved with schools across the country and worked with teachers and students all over the world. Apart from this, he's wearing many hats. I think there are no hairdressers and hair dyes out here. I'll be also needing a hat soon. We'll take it from Sandeep. Mr. Sandeep is a DOSCO, chairman of the Fab India School, founder Learning Forward India Foundation, which is very popular amongst the education fraternity, partner in the famous English Book Depot. I bought a lot of books from there as I'm from Dehradun. National Director, the Duke of Edinburgh International Award, CEO of the Indian Plumbing Skills Council, Chairman, Bhadrajan Artisans Trust, and Ambassador 100.org. Welcome, Sandeep. Sandeep,
yeah.
As because of this medical emergency directives, government directives, the schools are closed, I don't know when they will open. We wanted to have your idea. What kind of new normal will prevail at that time, post-COVID?
First I want to say, I don't think any futurist has got it right this time.
Correct.
The more I analyze, the more I connect with people all over the world, and I watch what's happening, I think no one's really understood. People are talking syllabus and people are talking schools reopening, and no one's really understanding the depth, because school reopening is kind of not the way ahead, if you would ask me.
Correct.
But the learning environment which has been shattered, that's my challenge. The entire learning ecosystem has been shattered. So for me, the post-COVID, building up the learning ecosystem, it's going to be an arduous task. We today talk that we do have technology. I'm afraid with the kind of in the world, whether technology will do us any good. And more than that, we are now doubting relationships. So post-COVID, I see a stress in relationships, which to me is the biggest challenge I will find post-COVID. So as a school improvement coach, my key focus, as well as Learning Forward Foundation's key focus, is essentially helping stakeholders understand each other better. That's exactly what a school culture transformation cycle is. Now, what we see that last decade in India, the relationship between the teacher, the student, teacher, the parent, teacher, the teacher, and teacher, the management, has been really rough. To a large extent, your technology is trying to repair the relationship challenge between teacher and student. But still, it is not doing enough to repair the communication link between the teacher and the parent. And I firmly believe, till we cannot strengthen the relationship between the teacher and the community, when I say community, I mean the parent, the management, and other teachers, we will not get far. So post-COVID for me is essentially rebuilding relationships. Post-COVID for me is not what we call social distancing in an abstract. It's actually for me a time when we go for social reconstruction. And post-COVID for me is working harder, even harder, for what we call social wealth creation. This is very different from what you would see today in the world. Today we talk of business models, we talk of schools, we talk of the education sector. Perhaps we have not figured out that school is the biggest space in the world which equalizes communities. School, to me, is a harbinger for harmony. School, for me, is a space where not only relationships are nurtured, but people find themselves. So post-COVID, I see that leadership at school will make a tremendous difference. And I'm not saying that I'm pessimistic, don't get me wrong. I personally feel that we lack leadership in the education sector, and particularly in the post-COVID era. I'm not sure, are we prepared for the relationship challenges? That's where I am.
Thank you so much, Mr. Dutt. Your speech will help all the educationists, not only educationists, all the stakeholders of education. Thank you so much. We'll disturb you again to take more insight about the same. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All the best. EduTV, keep beating all the other TVs. All the best.